Good morning, dear students. Welcome back in English class. Today our topic is NG sound words. We will pronounce NG as ang. So let us start. Say as in bank. WING wing. RING ring. KING king. SING sing. LUNG lung. RUNG rung. LONG long. GONG gong. BANG bang. GANG gang. HANG hang. THING thing. STRING string. SWING swing. STRONG strong. So dear students, in this way you all will read and understand these all words related to NG sound. Okay, thank you and have a nice day to all of you.